Just like the Silicon Valley is the hotspot for digital technologies, one hotspot not well known up to now to a lot of people is located in the heart of Europe, in the south of Austria, in Carinthia. It's the Green Tech Valley, because you have more than 20 world technology leaders within a set of 2 hours drive. So it's a hotspot for climate solutions and circular technologies. Why is it called the Green Tech Valley? Because of the natural beauty that people preserved quite well in the beginning of the 20th century, when they utilized the power of the water for electric use, or right now using new technologies to save the environment and to move forward to a circular economy. This region is rich of natural resources and especially of people that are minded towards its environment. When coming to the Green Tech Valley for companies, especially the cooperation, the research and the industrial concentration is what benefits the most. So you can access 15 research centers that are specialized in the field of green technologies, be it renewable energy, be it recycling technologies. You have 2,000 researchers within one hotspot. Plus, you have 260 companies that are keen on working together with other companies, pushing the boundaries of the next level technologies for a better planet. These companies working here benefit from the Green Tech cluster as a platform for interaction. Interaction on next level technologies, on new solutions, on new demonstration projects. Be it for the recycling of batteries coming from cars being utilized in buildings, be it on next technologies for the recycling of plastics, for a plastic-free world. Everything is here in one spot in Carinthia, and as it's not only my life, it's our lives that we have to take care of. These companies that are working here together are pushing new solutions out to the markets. Carinthia joined forces with its neighboring region, with KVF and with other players, helping all the companies coming to here, to Carinthia, in getting their business erected easier, faster, and to grow on a better scale. The city of Villach is on a transition towards a smart city in terms of a sustainable city. Other cities, just like Graz and others, are exchanging with Villach on how to perform better and how to do new projects, just like new types of recycling, new types of energy being used, green hydrogen being produced and utilized, even the recycling of green hydrogen, pushing once again the boundaries of innovation. We see that the green transition is crucial to Europe to keep a global front-runner position. Here we have everything you need, be it energy efficiency, renewable energy solutions, or circular recycling solutions. Everything is here within one space. Plus, we have industry that is cooperating with these solution providers as they are on their scale towards a climate pioneer, climate hero within their respective field. So we have everything from the solution side, plus the application in industries, just like in the microelectronic, in the automotive sector and others. We see that this Green Tech Valley attracts just like a magnet. We see companies coming to here just like big multinationals, be it Infineon, be it Samsung, SDI and others that are erecting their headquarters for R&D plus production here. Why is the Green Tech Valley that attractive? You have 15 centers of competence, you have 2,000 researchers in green technologies, plus 260 companies that are willing to cooperate with you. On a global scale, this is 6 times higher density than in Western Europe in terms of green technologies within one spot. So it's really a magnet, the Green Tech Valley.